Apparently, we should all have some sort of a party trick. And solving the Rubik's Cube. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to record it. Solving the Rubik's Cube is mine. I've been able to do it since I was a child, and I think I can probably do it in 2 or 3 minutes. So I thought I'd upload it in case anybody else wants to learn how to do it. I don't think for a minute that I could explain how it works. Excuse me. But this is me doing it. Okay, you can time me if you want. Apparently, I'm called a cuber. That's what they're called. It's quite a competitive sport, apparently. Not that I ever would have expected to compete in it as a child, because I'm sure I would have been too slow for the people who can do it blindfolded and with their eyes closed and all manner of mad stuff. I am just somebody who can do it, and it sits on my shelf in my kitchen, and sometimes I pick it up just to see if I can remember how it works. And if I've been away from home, which I am quite a bit, I usually forget how. So I might be a bit rusty because I haven't done it for the longest time. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded many videos of late. I haven't really had an awful lot of time, and I've also been travelling a lot. I have been in Madeira. I did actually upload a little photo album of pictures I took when I was in Madeira. I was also in New York, and I've been in London for the summer. And so yeah, I've been busy. That's my cat in the background, Lady Mary. Work. And I'm just about to leave on a Northern Lights tour to have a look at the Northern Lights in Norway, and the fjords, on a cruise. I'll leave for that on Thursday. There we go. It's done. My daughter did actually black out one of the green squares to see if she could make it a bit more difficult for me. But as you can see, it didn't really work.